I got the MyQ garage door camera. I have no idea. First MyQ product I think I've ever bought. They finally went on sale. It sucks too, because like really as soon as something goes on sale these days, it's like it's gonna be outdated soon. But we'll see. Okay. Has its own weird, it's a micro USB. I wonder what size they used. It's 5 volt 1 amp is all. Looks like I gotta open more of this box. Go. Very cool. Oh, it has a nice peel. Very clean. It's really lightweight. Kind of surprises me, but I don't know what the point of this little rubber thing is. That's cool. Has full motion. It seems like there is no wires or anything, but I don't know. Seems like this is just a stand. Pretty sure this thing's supposed to be magnetic also. I don't really have much to test that with near me, but I guess be sure to follow me, guys, for more unboxing videos.